In today's video, we walk you through how to go from business need to selecting the right AI tool. We'll show you how to maximize your return on AI investment. Whether it is an increase in leads, automation of appointment setting, or automated property valuations, we will show you how to maximize the impact on your business. This is a workshop style session, so get ready to learn a whole lot about AI. So welcome to day 60 in our 100-day series. Today marks the conclusion of the streaming transactions and operations theme, which is theme 5, and we'll be covering the selecting and implementing of the right AI tools for your business. So the whole idea is to walk through the process of determining what AI tools you need for your business, how to determine what goals you should be solving for your business, and give you some examples of how you should be thinking about the whole process of adopting AI within your organization. So the objectives, 4 key objectives for this session. One is to identify the repetitive tasks and areas where AI can improve your business. The second is to explore different categories of AI solutions relevant to real estate. Develop a step-by-step approach for selecting the right AI tools. And the final objective is to learn strategies for successful implementation and ongoing management of the AI solution you've adopted. So let's get started. So over the last 9 sessions that form this theme, we've discussed how AI can automate repetitive tasks, improve data accuracy, and enhance overall efficiency. We've also looked at examples of automating document processing, ideas around scheduling appointments, and generating property reports. Then the final ones, by streamlining transactions and operations, we've talked about how that frees up the valuable time that you need in order to give your clients a superior experience and be more strategic in your business. So why should you choose the right AI tools? Firstly, the real estate market offers a vast array of AI solutions, and choosing the wrong tool can lead to wasted resources, integration challenges, limited benefits, and frustration. However, when you select the right AI tools, this ensures that everything aligns with your specific needs and goals. What is it you want to achieve for your business? It leads to a smooth integration process and maximizes your return on investment. So identify your needs and goals. So the first prompt you want to ask yourself is, what repetitive tasks are currently slowing you down slowing down your transactions and operations? The second is, what areas can I get the most potential, and where do I see the greatest efficiency gains within your business? So areas you might want to look at are lead generation, document processing, and property valuation. Then the final thing you want to look at are the specific goals for implementing AI tools. So e.g., reducing the processing time by a certain percentage. So how long does it take you to go from receiving an inquiry to listing the property? That whole process and workflow you might want to streamline and reduce how long it takes. Next one is, all right, this is what I want to achieve. I want to increase the lead generation by 20% or 30%. Those sort of defined targets and defined markers would help you determine if the solution you've adopted is actually useful and has an impact on your overall business. So I'd like you to take a couple of minutes at this point to list some of the common pain points you have that are affecting the transactions and operations within your business. So examples could be, right, you might not like the fact that your data entry processes are all manual. So manual data entry means potential for errors, mistakes. Scheduling appointments might be manual, and all the follow-ups. Of course, you know that you can automate that process, automate the manual data entry process. Another example would be generating property reports and marketing materials. If right now you're relying on humans to do that, you can streamline that whole process. Is that the area of the greatest bottleneck right now? So just write down these key points. It might not be any of the ones I've mentioned, but come up with something that you feel is a key pain point for you and something you'd want to automate or get AI to replace. So there are three key categories for AI solutions. One is automated workflows. Second, predictive analytics. And the third is chatbots / virtual assistants. How do these three work? So automated workflows would be essentially automating repetitive tasks within your business, like scheduling appointments, sending emails, generating reports, fairly straightforward tasks. Predictive analytics would be where you're relying on a machine or a computer to tell you what's likely to happen, what are the new trends, what's the market saying. And these tools would also help you identify potential buyers and recommend your pricing strategy or or inform your pricing strategy. And the final ones, your chatbots and virtual assistants. So there are many AI tools that can help you ensure that your website or your social platforms are addressing requirements 24/7 and can provide responses to frequently asked questions. It can also help you qualify your leads or schedule appointments. So let's look at some step-by-step approach that you can take in order to select your ideal tool. So firstly, define your budget and your technical abilities. So the key thing is, how much can you afford to spend on the entire process? How much are you willing to spend? The second one is, what are the technical capabilities you have within your organization? If you selected a tool, would you be able to implement it yourself, or do you have the staff that can do the implementation and the integration yourselves in-house, or would you need someone external to come and assist and partner with you to do that implementation? The second thing is, you want to identify the key features or functionalities that must be in existence within the tool that you are selecting. And the whole idea is you want to marry the features of the new tool with the goals you want to achieve. So you think back to the brainstorming session we had, and you take the points from that brainstorming session and tie it to the features of the AI tool or AI tools you're considering. The third step is to do your research and compare solutions. So if you're going for something like a lead generation improvement or a chatbot, there are many tools in existence for those needs. Now you want to compare those different tools to make sure that anyone you do select would give you the solution that you're after. Then the fourth thing to do on your journey is to compare the different tools via reviews and case studies. So do some research, read reviews, see how people rate the different solutions before you land on one. You may find someone else who's in the same situation and has either taken that journey into AI or is considering it. So you can compare notes and get some knowledge from the other party. And the final one is, consider free trials and demos. So before you jump all in, just do a 14-day demo or 14-day trial and see if the solution actually works for you and delivers what you're hoping for. So we'll move on to the implementation and the ongoing management. So if you think about the data quality and integration, ensure that any data that you are saving in your databases or via your CRM, that all of that information is accurate and consistent, because that's what will help get the most out of the information you have and out of your business assets, so that your data is an asset within your company, and you can integrate that information via AI to help inform the categorization of the clients that approach you. So as an example, if you have 5,000 clients in your database and the date of birth for all of them is completely wrong, or the rough age or age category of each one is incorrect, or you don't have information about their family situation or the types of properties they might be looking for, you may end up sending the wrong information to the wrong crowd. But if at the beginning, early stage, you ensure that information is collected and saved accurately, then you can trust that data a lot more. And when you're creating and crafting any personalization information, it will be correct because the information you have already saved is correct. So that's the thought process behind ensuring that everything is accurate and consistent. And if it isn't currently accurate and consistent, work towards improving it. And then also think about the integration with your current CRM system. So you don't really want silos of solutions. You want everything to work together as a flow. Now, think about training and the change management. So first is ensure that your team gets the proper training they need, or provide a way for them to be able to get adequate training, and then develop a change management strategy. And this is just to ensure that things don't suddenly get thrown into production or into their workflows without anybody really understanding how it works. Another thing to think about is how you monitor and track the progress. So if you've said in one of the previous sessions or previous slides that you want to increase lead generation, now how do you monitor that? So ideally, you want to start monitoring it before you introduce the AI tool, and then you carry on monitoring after you've introduced the AI tool. So a month before, a month after, and see if there are any differences or any changes. So other things you want to track are things like reduction in processing time, any improvements in accuracy, data accuracy, and client satisfaction. So you analyze these things and you can improve and adjust things as information becomes clearer. So continuously evaluate and adapt and modify the operation, and just make it a journey, a fun journey for you and for your staff and colleagues. And be prepared to adapt, because your challenges right now might be attracting more leads or automating some of your tasks. Once that's done, what do you do next? If the technology changes, what do you do after that? So if you stay informed and stay up to date with what's happening in the industry, then you're certain to know when things are changing and how to adapt your solutions to bring in the latest technologies that would continue to help your business grow. So we've covered quite a lot of ground to this point, and if you partook in the brainstorming and you've got a few things listed on your paper pad, then that's really wonderful, and kudos to you, because you've started that journey and you now know better what you want to, or the direction you want to take your business in, especially in the technology stack way. So well done to you, and I think you should pat yourself on the back because you've started that process. So now is the time to address any serious questions you have to do with adopting of AI solutions. Now, you're not on the live session, so you can put a comment in the comment section and we'll be sure to respond to you. So whatever the question is, reach out to us either on our socials or by putting a comment underneath this video. And don't hesitate to ask anything. There are no silly questions. You can DM me if you have something that you'd want us to look into. So how can we help? If you're looking for assistance with implementing any of the tools that you've detected, or you want us to help with the identifying of the tools that may work for you or help solve your goals, then do reach out to us. We offer consulting that would help you assess those needs and identify the right tools and implement a plan. Or if you don't want us to implement the plan, we can help you come up with a strategy and how you can deploy it yourself. Second is integrating with your current systems via APIs and other interfaces. We can develop a solution for you, working with you. We can make sure that it forms part of your workflow, and we can plot how that journey changes. So we'll show you what your current journey is and the new way that things would work, and we'll show you where the automations come in. And if it's also something you want, we can also show you how to monitor and track those changes in your business. Then the final one is we can also offer you support, so ongoing support. So we don't just put in the solution and walk away. We can continue to support you and provide any kind of assistance that you need. So if any of those things appeals to you, do reach out to us. We are autori.ai. We are on all the social media platforms, and our specialty is really automating businesses and bringing automation, introducing AI where AI is the right solution, because not everything is about artificial intelligence. Some might just be a tweaking of automation or just information, teaching and upgrading the knowledge within your business. So reach out to us via our website, autori.ai, or you can send us an email to uwa@autori.ai. So thanks a lot, as always, and until next time, keep winning.